Now I'll yarn with the white and I'll go on top of the white in front of it here. That's how we do that. Then you use a different color to hook out, because the next stitch will be in the green color. Then you go in there. Which means I'll just do that again. Yarn over. So it's like you have treble. You get there. Then you finish off with the white. Now the next one is white. Half a treble stitch. Finish with whatever color you're using. And we do this from the beginning. If you want to learn on how to increase to start a hat, which this is, I will do a small video on explaining how to increase. So please subscribe on this one, then you'll be able to see the next video on how to start a hat from the center, which I'll show you in a minute. There, I started there with both colors, and as you can see, it does a different effect because there's addition. Like here is addition. So if you want to see how I do that to enlarge the top of my hat before I do the straight sides of my hat, then you need to subscribe to this. Then I'll share with you on how to start from scratch. But this is just a straight bit on the side of your hat, and it makes the hat firm. This is quite firm, and I like, you can use also this side. This is on the inside. I like that, or use it on that side, so it can be reversible. So thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye for now.